10 Imaginary Dinosaurs from My Jurassic Box. Allosaurus. Also called Lau Lau crocodile, due to the fact that it was in the sand like a crocodile in water. It lived in desert sand areas where it would swim and stalk its prey in the sand, similar to how a crocodile moves in water. Due to the environment in which it lived, it adapted to survive for long periods without water, sometimes going without drinking for 7 or 8 years. Carnilosaurus. Carnilosaurus is a legendary dinosaur often depicted as a dragon in stories. According to scientists, this dinosaur possessed the ability to breathe fire. It was said to inhabit volcanic areas, where mineral-rich water is commonly found, as everyone knows. The unique fire-breathing ability of Carnilosaurus was believed to be a result of its diet, which primarily consisted of mineral water and volcanic mushrooms. It was theorized that the combination of these elements produced gases within its body that could ignite upon contact with the air. Styracosaurus. He lived both on land and in the sea and frequently found himself in trouble with the fearsome predator known as the great white sharkaurus, an ancient relative of today's great white shark. Interestingly, all the discovered bones of Styracosaurus lack a tail due to multiple encounters with the sharkaurus, resulting in the loss of its tail. Iguanodonta. This dinosaur had such incredible camouflage that even its bone remains are impossible to see. Its visual existence remains a mystery as no trace of its appearance has ever been found. Paleontologists have been unable to discover any bones because the camouflage was so effective that even the remains are hidden. In science books is referred as Casper the Ghost. The picture you see is just an artistic representation based on the imagination of paleontologists, as there are no actual fossils or bones to study and determine its true appearance. Ceratosaurus. Ceratosaurus is believed to be the direct ancestor of the Nile crocodile, which baffled paleontologists and scientists when it was discovered in the North Pole. Arcticagea in the Jurassic era. Since the initial discovery, an additional 8 specimens have been found in the same region, leading researchers to conclude that Ceratosaurus was native to that area during a prehistoric period called Arcticagea. This finding surprised experts as Arcticagea was nowhere near the present-day Nile region in terms of geographical proximity. Brachiosaurus. Brachiosaurus was a dinosaur that possessed the remarkable ability to regenerate its tail. It would frequently employ this tail to deceive predators, tricking them into mistaking it for the dinosaur's head. The head of Brachiosaurus resembled a tail, while its actual tail resembled a head. In times of danger, Brachiosaurus would elevate its tail and lower its head, enticing predators to attack the false target. Often, it would escape unharmed, leaving its tail behind. Fortunately, the tail would regrow within a span of 2 weeks. Diploratops. Diploratops had a remarkable ability to mimic sounds. It could imitate various animal calls and even mimic musical instruments. Its long neck acted as a natural amplifier, making its mimicry incredibly realistic. Paleontologists suspect it used this to communicate and confuse predators. Velociraptor. Velociraptor is considered one of the earliest known birds and lived during the late Jurassic period. It had avian characteristics, including a long tail and a body covered with feathers, which suggests some ability to fly. However, unlike modern birds, Velociraptor also had teeth. The number of teeth varied depending on its age, ranging from 80 to 100 teeth. Parasaurus. One of the fastest known dinosaurs, Parasaurus, often outpaced its prey with lightning speed, leading to unsuccessful hunts. As a consequence, it could go for weeks without eating. This behavior persisted for weeks or even months until it grew fatigued and started running at a slower pace, enabling it to execute a successful hunt. Allosaurus. Allosaurus, formerly known as the Lonely Screamer, had a very unusual vocal cord structure and large lungs. Its breathing was incredibly loud, resulting in a distinct scream every time it exhaled air. Due to these unique characteristics, Allosaurus was considered a solitary dinosaur. The most peculiar aspect about it was that it was a nocturnal dinosaur, adding more mystery to life during that time. And remember, these are my imaginary dinosaurs.